From crisis to inner power, your life can change. Today, we talk about something few people explain clearly, but that has deeply affected your life without you even knowing. Your masculine energy has been cut off, and that left you feeling weak, confused, unmotivated, or completely disconnected from your true power. Get ready because this video won't just open your eyes. It gives you the tools to reclaim your energy and take control of your destiny. Watch until the end. Hi, I'm Robinson Arévalo, Holo Energetic Therapist, and your guide on Vida Universo Mente. Have you ever felt off, lost, or like you're missing the drive that pushes men to move forward, protect, build, and lead? It's not a coincidence with being emotionally tamed. They told us that being strong is wrong, that being firm is aggressive, that desire or ambition is dangerous, and without realizing it, you were shut down. In this program, we discover together what really happened when this energy is cut off. Emotionally and mentally, we lost direction. It becomes hard to make decisions. We get stuck in relationship where we no longer lead. We become insecure. We avoid conflict, even if it means betraying ourselves. Our creativity drops. And worst of all, our self-esteem crash. And then you ask yourself, what's wrong with me? Why don't have the strength others seem to have? The answer is simple. You've been disconnected from your original masculine energy. And here, the worst part. You weren't just conditioned by society, education, or culture. You accept it as your new normal. You believe it, and that's when you're disconnected from yourself. So what do you need to do now? What power can you reclaim and how? Here's what you're going to do. Reconnect with your inner fire. Take back leadership over your life. Start feeling clear, grounded, and capable of acting with purpose, not fear. Masculine energy isn't about violence or ego. It's direction, it's building, it's drive, it's the power that keeps you going, protecting what you love, and creating a life with meaning. I've distilled the best from world-renowned psychologists, and here are 4 practical keys to help you reconnect starting today. Set clear boundaries. Every time you stay silent or allow what you don't want, your energy weakens. Saying no is the first step to reclaiming your power. Connect to a purpose. Masculine energy needs a why. Without it, your strength catches. And ask yourself, what am I building? Move your body, exercise, conscious breathing, martial art, walking. The body activates the mind. Masculine energy awakens through movement and action. Surround yourself with awakened men. Yes, you need a healthy masculine circle. Men who challenge, inspire, and keep you focused. Masculine energy is also shared. Listen, if you don't reclaim your energy, you keep living hollow life. In relationships that don't fulfill you, in jobs where you feel invisible, doing things out of habit. And that is a slow death. You weren't born to be, you were born to create, lead, and move forward. So today, make a decision. Reconnect with your masculine energy now. Observe your patterns, question what you were taught, and bow all out. Do something uncomfortable. Say what you really think. Break a routine. Remember, without action, there is no energy. Your life isn't lost. It's just asleep. And today, you can wake up. From crisis to inner power, your life can change. And if you want to understand that root point that disconnect you from your masculine energy in childhood, don't miss the next video. Subscribe to Vida Universo Mente, hit the bell, leave your comment, and share this video with someone who needs to wake up.